Good morning guys, this is Raza and you're watching my channel Anjana Musafir. Today is 5th of September 2020 and time is 10:30 in the morning. And guys, in this video I am going to make some kind of music. Do you know what is music? Music is the backbone of song, any song, like religious song, like film song, like anthem song, any song you name, music is there. But to make a music we need some instruments like this mandolin, like piano, like guitar. But what if I make music with my household items like this hanger and this rod? This is the music. So in this lockdown period, I am going to make music with my household items. So let's see how does it goes like. Oh, that was something cool. And if you want to see more of this, comment down below. Well, this is it. This is the overall today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. You can comment also. You can share this video and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Anjana Musafir. See you in the next video. Bye bye.